Good morning, everyone. How y'all doing? Each year I plant impatiens underneath what I think I need to probably just call this my lime green flower bed. I have electric lime heuchera that you can tell is pushing all its spring growth. And along the perimeter, I planted a few years ago. I've already forgotten, so I'll make sure I put the date on how long ago I planted it. Lemon ball sedum. Couldn't find lemon coral sedum anywhere. Very, very difficult. Even this year, I couldn't find lemon ball sedum. And so the sedum that I've replaced some of the missing and bare spots, it's more of a trailing sedum. So I hope that works out. I'm not sure. I hope it mounts up just a touch. I can tell it's a lot different than what I have that's the remainder, I would say, because over the years when I'm cleaning up and it's starting to look scraggly, it's landed up being pulled out when I'm, cleaning up the needle leaves from the redwood trees. This area is one of the few places I can actually have impatiens and then be successful. I've grown them for many years when we lived near the beach. Of course, I think you can grow just about anything in that kind of weather. But over here, they really do need to be protected by, I would say, sun the majority of the day. So this area right here gets morning sun, oh goodness, maybe until 11. It's almost noon now. And by the end of the day, even though it's shaded, when we get to the height of our summer, these will start to look a little wilty, and I'll have to put some water on them. However, they mount up so beautiful, and see this area where it's starting to look a little stringy? Probably midway through summer, I'll come and shear them all back, because if you don't, they start to get super leggy. Shear them all back. It won't take but about 2 weeks, and they'll all flush back up with brand new blooms, and it'll be a tight, nice little mound of impatiens. So today I'm going to get this done. You will tell that I have some hyacinth foliage that I probably shouldn't cut back. I should wait till the leaves yellow. However, this year they didn't perform very well. So I think I'm just going to cut them all back right now because I'm not sure if they're going to come back next year, and we'll get these planted. Good afternoon, everyone. It's a new day. Impatiens are hardy in zones 10 and 11. I live in zone 9B, Central Valley, California, Fresno, Clovis area. We have very, very warm summers, and as most of, I would say, the United States is experiencing fall, come September, October, there are times we can still be running our air conditioner. So these could very well last me till around November. Each year I think, oh, maybe I'll put something different in the flower bed right here where the redwoods are. But I just absolutely love impatiens. And because I have very little shade in my front or back garden, I try and stick them in here each year. I know they're small right now, but within a few months, they should all be touching each other. This year, I will show you how I cut them back midsummer when they begin to look a little leggy. And within a matter of just a couple of weeks, they all flush back again. If you don't do that, what happens is you'll just, as leggy plants get, you'll just see this long stem and just a little bit of flower at the end. So I'll make sure I show you how I do that. I also, if we come around up here, we went ahead and added I think 5 more Japanese forest grass. They are not the same variety, and that's okay. But you will notice that at least the Japanese forest grass kind of carries around the back side of this flower bed. I do not bring the impatiens up between the lemon balsedum and the Hakanakloa because right here it gets hit with sun. And so that's why I kind of keep the impatiens a little bit more towards the sidewalk. But I think it looks much more full. I still haven't cut back the daffodil and tulip foliage. I think we're going to call this flower bed the Redwood Tree Flowerbed. I can't wait for a few weeks to go by and all these impatiens to push more growth. We just came off of a few days where it was hovering around 90. I think it actually got over 90. We had to turn the air conditioner on. But I think we're going to get some rain this week and we're going to drop down to the 70s, which I welcome because I'm not quite ready for that heat. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you're having a wonderful day. We'll see you soon. Bye.